Hello everybody to lesson 36 of JavaScript for Active Design course. In this lesson we will know the getElementBy or getElementsBy and DOM. So now we will know what is it. What is DOM? We have understood the previous lesson. What do we mean with DOM? Which is object mode. Document objects models. The DOM is a standard object model and programming interface which defines the HTML elements as objects and the properties of all HTML elements that we could deal with it. So it have properties and methods. Okay, so let's say for example a simple example there that we have used many times. We have used, for example, here I will define, let's delete this one and see, for example, I have here an header h2, and inside the header I will define an ID, and this ID I'll call it, for example, header 2. No problem. Okay, I will see here, click. Okay, save. So here we have a simple header, which is easy. Okay, here in the JavaScript I could define that I could access that element with the DOM. How we could write document, okay, document, which we mean it with DOM, the D, then the object, which would be here the ID, get element by ID, which we have there. We have by ID, by class, by attribute name, by the CSS. We could access as we want or as we need. Here we will say header 2, the name of the ID, then dot inner HTML, which is the property that we have it, and here I could change the text. This is new text. Great, save it, then refresh. This is new text. Okay, so what we mean with this code, if you understand this code, that means you will understand the whole DOM in JavaScript. This code, or this line of code, is meaning the following: the getElementByID is a method. So the DOM contains of method and property. So if you know when to use the method and how to use it, you will, and the property and what does the property contains. This what do you mean it with the DOM. So first of all, we have the document, which will deal with the whole document. We have it over there, which is the browser, the whole of this page, and then we will say the getElementByID. This method, it's most common way to access the HTML element. This method is used the ID, which is header 2, to get the the element or the object or the HTML element. We have it there, which is an object in DOM. So this code means get the HTML object or HTML element. The second element, which is property, this property means get the HTML content, the HTML object content. So this function, this property, is easiest way to get the content of an element is by using the inner HTML is the easiest way. So you could whether to get the element or to set. So now we have setting the element. If we need to get that value of this place, we will say var, for example, x equal, and we will assign it to this code, copy, and here we'll see paste. Okay, then I will see semicolon. I will see here plus x. Save it and refresh and see what we have over there. So this is new text, and the element or the content of the element of the HTML element over there. We could get and set the value with this element. Inner HTML means get or set. If you assign it to another variable, it will be get. If you are assigning another value to it, it will be set. So we have now set the value of header 2, which is over here the ID. We have assigned this value, but here we have gotten the value that this HTML element have. Okay, so this was about the simple example about the HTML DOM. So the HTML DOM contains of what? Methods and property. So we have method and property. The method would be like this, would be getElementByID, by class, by I don't know what, and the property will be like this: inner HTML, inner text, style, I don't know what, many things, but you should know that there is method and property. This was the lesson. It's easy, and see you in the next lesson.